So good morning everyone. Today I am going to start with further explanation for the chapter, the French Revolution. So this will be our fourth day for explaining the chapter. Thank you. So what we have still done, that is all the philosophers, their contributions, all the, you can say, middle person, and the third category and fighting for their rights. So earlier there was the state journal, remember, state journal, which was against rule and against they want to, whatever they want to imply on the common people, they put forward for the consensus in the state journal. And state journal, the last meeting was 1648 and next meeting concurrently it was been going on 5th of May 1789. This is boring. Where 300 people from the first and second category and 600 people from the third category was there. And third category में जितने 600 लोग थे, they were from the wealthy, they were from the third estate, but the wealthy persons were there at that time. So, जो persons थे 300 from first and second estate and third estate थे 600. So they want, want that the law which they want to increase the taxes, they want that every representative of each state will give the vote. But these people, 600 people, they vote. They said we want the vote should be given for all. The consensus should be given for all. Then, if the and then when they vote and they were not agree with this point, then from that meeting the third state people 600 walk out and do their protest against the king 16. So after this मैं ये सारा करवा चुकी हूँ, isn't it? हम ये सारा कर चुके हैं. But again it's a recapitulation of pre-recapitulation or CD recapitulation. After this, on 20th of June 1789, all the third estate wealthy persons they met each other in the area that is called, कौन सा area था? Indoor Stadium of Tennis Indoor Stadium at Versailles. कहाँ पर मिले वो? Indoor Tennis Stadium at Versailles and want to go with the meeting. उन्होंने meeting करनी and they want to create their own national assembly. What they want to make their national assembly? They want to make their own national assembly with the motive to make or to have the control and with the motive to make their limit the power of monarch. monarch यानी कि 16 और मरे 20 की जो भी पावर है उसको लिमिट में किया जाए and the power should be given to the common people. Common people means population. Power should be given as the ruler should be from the common people side. So this they want. इसके लिए उन्होंने कहा कि we will be going to create the new constitution. So they had started the process for making the new constitution. But 1816 was not in favor of the national assembly. इसमें हमने अभी तक पढ़ा था जॉन लॉक, जे रूसो और मोंटेस्क्यू की. ये पढ़े थे. John Locke has given the idea that the position should be given on the basis of merit. The position should not be given on the basis of birth. ठीक है? John Locke ने कहा था कि the people should have equal power. The freedom should be there, equality should be there, opportunity to all should be there, no privileges on birth should be there. So John Locke के idea, उसके बाद रूसो का idea, रूसो spoke the social contract, he has also given that concept that the power should, that the people should have the contract between their representatives, the social contract. He has given that idea. And Montesquieu has given that idea that the government should have three organs, that is legislative, executive and judicial. That should be. So यही idea basically मेरे को teach करने की, because इसी के basis पर हमारी सारी जो है वो plan. Next, अब जब National Assembly बन रहा है, उसमें दो और person आते हैं, Mirabeau and Abbe Siles. Now write down these two names, Mirabeau and Abbe Siles. And Abbe Siles. Mirabeau and Abbe Siles, these were the two again political leaders, you can say thinkers, who had given their contribution. Mirabeau was from the noble family. He was a noble family, but he fought more to get the continuity of what thing. He was against the system of. He was against the system of feudal system. System of feudal system. Feudal system is a system in which the common person or laborers are considered to be as a bounded labor, and all the power is concentrated only in the rich or the you can say rulers or king's hand. So they do not want that this kind of thing should be there. So Mirabeau, being a noble person family, he just want that power should, a feudal system should be ended. So in the National Assembly, when the Constitution was being framed, first concept that was being given, that was feudal system should be abolished. Okay? And no person should be given the privileges on birth. No person should be given the privileges on a birth. So this system was being decided. Mirabeau. Second banda आता है Abbe Siles. He was a priest in the church. He was a priest in the church who has given the idea that what is third estate? ये third estate है क्या? क्यों ये third estate बनाई हुई है? Every person is considered to be as an equal. We all are equal. That is why when the National Assembly Constitution was being framed, then all the Declaration of Human Rights ये दिया गया था, टाइटल ये दिया गया था, Declaration of Human Rights. क्यों दिया गया था? Because they want that all the rights, right to freedom, right to equality, right to get equal opportunities, right to vote, or you can say these are all are given as a right, as a natural right, and state will be doing. State क्या? National Assembly. So अगला concept जो है, पांचों के पांचों philosophers आपको याद है? क्योंकि these philosophers are not only for this, these philosophers will further carry. हम लोग इनको आगे भी पढ़ेंगे, क्योंकि आगे हमें concept करने हैं, हमने अपने civics के concept करने हैं, तो हम इन concepts को याद रखेंगे, तो हमें base पता होगा कि हमने ये concepts उठाए कहाँ से. ठीक है? So we will be going to learn all these 5 philosophers. ये 5 marks का 110% question आता ही आता. Name the 5 philosophers, their contribution in making the French Revolution. Who has written the social contract? Who has given the 2 treaties of Commet? What was the idea of Mirabeau? Fine. Who has given the slogan that what is third stage? ये सारे questions जो हैं ये आपको आने चाहिए. मैंने फटाफट बोल दी है so that later on you can understand it. Is it okay up to this? यहाँ तक किसी को कोई doubt हो तो please raise your hand and ask the question. So after the Jacobin, the reign of terror that I was explaining you in the previous lecture, that is Robespierre, Maximilian Robespierre, who was from the lower middle classes from third estate, who has given the idea of spear control and punishment and he has given the idea that wheat and bread was Russian, white flour was forbidden. नहीं थी किसी के लिए, everyone was having that kind of thing that they should go with the brown bread, or equal prices were being there for all the places. So all these things were being done by Robespierre. दूसरा रॉब्सफायर ने और क्या किया, he invented guillotine, जहां पर कल हमारी क्लास होती है, guillotine, a device which was being developed by Mr. Guillotine, that is why इसका नाम भी guillotine रखा गया. ये एक डिवाइस था which was having two main blocks of wood. In behind that there was a knife. To whosoever will talk against the Robespierre or Jacobins, they will be given the punishment by keeping their neck in that blades, और वो blades से उनको काट दिया जाता. So that the tribunal was being, whosoever was guilty, that person was being treated as that guillotine. So that is why इसका reign जो कहा जाता है Robespierre का, that reign was again in France was considered as a control and punishment and reign of terror. के माइंड में ये हमेशा टेरर हो गया कि हमने क्या पाया, हम चाहते थे फ्रांस के रूलर से अपने आप को इंडिपेंडेंट करना, वहां से हमने नेशनल असेंबली तो बन गई, फ्यूडल सिस्टम खत्म हो गया, बर्थ राइट ऑन बर्थ प्रिविलेजेस ऑन बर्थ खत्म हो गया, नेचुरल राइट्स मिल गए, बट स्टिल वी आर अंडर द फाउंडेशन ऑफ दीज काइंड्स ऑफ क्लब मेंबर्स और दीज काइंड्स ऑफ कॉमन पीपल्स. सो इस पॉइंट्स को लेकर लास्ट पैराग्राफ, रॉब्सफायर परसुएड हिज पॉलिसी सो रिलेंटलेसली, उसने बहुत बुरी तरह से अपनी जो पॉलिसीज हैं प्रॉपर्ली यहाँ पर चलानी स्टार्ट कर दी रॉब्सफायर ने, एंड इवन सपोर्टर बिगन टू डिमांड मॉडर्नाइजेशन. उसके भी सपोर्टर्स जो थे they were not ready to go on the path of his policy. So finally, अंत में he was convinced by the court in July 1794 and arrest on the next day. He was also sent to guillotine. उसके ही बनाए हुए, उसके द्वारा ही उस यंत्र के ऊपर उसको मार दिया गया. So this was the end of Robespierre's Jacobin club's contribution. Up to this is clear. Ankit, unmute yourself and ask your question. अब मैं दोबारा बोल रही हूँ. Robespierre, Maximilian Robespierre, who was the head of the Jacobin club, he has made severe control and punishment policy. He has developed a weapon or a device that is guillotine, जो कि guillotine Mr. Guillotine ने develop किया था, उसी के नाम पर इसका नाम रख दिया गया guillotine. Whosoever was becoming guilty and go with any kind of revolutionary protest against them, so they were being punished in this guillotine. So his period was also considered to be known as a severe control and punishment and reign of terror. तो बाद में जुलाई 1994 के अंदर उसको भी इसी डिवाइस के थ्रू गिलोटाइन कर दिया गया था, अरेस्ट करा गया और उसके बाद गिलोटाइन कर दिया गया, एंड इट वाज लेड टू एन एंड ऑफ जैकोबिन्स Maximilian Robespierre's terror, region of terror properly ended. Then खेल अभी भी खत्म नहीं. स्टेट जनरल से स्टार्ट हुआ, नेशनल असेंबली पर पहुंचा, नेशनल असेंबली के बाद कन्वेंशन हुआ, कन्वेंशन की अनसक्सेसफुल डील जो कि जैकोबिन्स ने चलाई, बट इट वाज नॉट अगेन सक्सेसफुल. अब नया कंसेप्ट आया, दैट आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट, दैट इज द डायरेक्टरी रूल इन France. Is it okay? Now I am going to explain that. I must say before proceeding to directly, I just want again go with the path. The path कैसे चला? First is state journal. Then led National Assembly. Then led to convention. Then Jacobins. Convention के अंदर ही Jacobin clubs आते हैं. Maximilian Robespierre. इसके एंड के बाद कौन सा आया? डायरेक्ट. ये रूल है अलग अलग स्टेट जनरल आया 79 के बाद 79 गॉट इट कोई डाउट। अब 1794 के अंदर जब मैक्सिमिलियन रॉबस्फायर को जुलाई 1794 में मार दिया था, उसके बाद कौन सा पीरियड आया? डायरेक्टरी। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू डायरेक्टरी रूल France. The fall of Jacobin government allowed the wealthier middle class. Wealthier middle class कौन सी है? थर्ड स्टेट की ही wealthier middle class who seized the power. उन्होंने पावर को अपने हाथों में कंट्रोल किया and the new constitution was introduced with denying vote to non proportioned section of society. अब पहले तो इस क्लब में आते ही वोट पर ऑल हो गया था, 21 and all were having right to vote. यहाँ पर का वोट only 25 years and above were having property and those who fall under the highest bracket of tax pay को दिया जाता था। यहाँ पर 21 and all सबको right to vote दिया गया था। अब यहाँ पर आते आते again the power is being seized, control कर ली गई rich section of society from the third estate and they do not want to give vote right to all the persons. What they had done, it provided the two elected legislative council. Underline करिए इसमें, two elective legislative council. According to this, यहाँ पर one legislative council बना था, यहाँ पर आते आते two directive legislative accounts हो गए. So then they appointed, provided for the two elected legislative. These then appointed a directory and executive made up of 5 members. यहाँ directory में कितने members होंगे? 5 members. So there will be the 5 members in the directory, and there this was only to safeguard against the contraction of the power and one executive as under in the Jacobin. Jacobin में सिर्फ एक ही executive था, Maximilian. So उसकी power को खत्म करने के लिए वो तो फिर एक diplomatic होना शुरू हो गया था, dictatorial rule होना शुरू हो गया था, इसलिए उन्होंने यहाँ पर 5 member बना दिए कि one person should not have control. So this 5 members, however, directors often clashes in the legislative. ये 5 बंदे आपस में ही लड़ते रहते थे, ऐसे करना है, ऐसे करना है, ऐसे करना है. So consensus फिर भी नहीं बन पा रही, consensus फिर भी नहीं बन पा रही थी. That led to the weakening of France to govern as their own country and directory. This weak directory gave the way to go under the military rule. अभी भी फ्रांस की जो है पावर खत्म नहीं हुई, फ्रांस का जो काम है खत्म नहीं हुआ. यहाँ के जो आपस के 5 मेंबर्स के क्लैशेस थे, उस कारण यहाँ के अंदर टर्मोइल कंडीशंस थी, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कंट्रोल वाज नॉट इफेक्टिवली डन. दैट लेड द राइज ऑफ मिलिट्री डिक्टेटर दैट वाज नेपोलियन बोनापार्ट. मिलिट्री डिक्टेटर that was Napoleon Bonaparte. So this was the way the chapter was there. अब नेपोलियन बोनापार्ट ने जब 1794 में अपनी पावर चलाई तो उसने उसके बाद मिलिट्री रूल कर पूरे के पूरे फ्रांस में उसने क्या किया? मिलिट्री रूल कर. Is it okay? So I will let you know, just wait for 1 minute.